Most leaders, they only track how many sales are being done in a particular month, and they track what is the value of those sales, because this is like the bottom line for any organization. Any organization or business only looks for what is the net profit, what is the gross profit, okay? And that's what most leaders track. But instead of focusing on the results, the focus should be on the efficiency of the sales funnel. Now, there are two very important points which I'm going to talk about in a sales funnel. The first and the foremost is that there should not be just one sales funnel. There should be multiple sales funnels. Why multiple? Because it is every single sales funnel should be for every category of the customer, or for any location specific, or for any segment specific. So that is the first and the most important thing. Customer categorization should be a part of the sales funnel, and there should be separate sales funnels for every single customer category, for every single location. The second most important point is, what are the aspects or what are the elements that should be a part of sales funnel? Now, for most people, the sales funnel starts with the calls or the first cold email. But professional salesperson know that the sales funnel starts much before it. The first step for a sales funnel is planning, prioritizing. Once that is done, then the approach should be planned as to, should this be a personal visit, should it be a call, should it be an email? And then onwards, from your calls and appointments, how are you able to fix the right appointments? From there, the meetings. From there to proposals. From there to the stages of negotiation. From there to the close. And the sales funnel does not just end over there. From the close, it goes to cross-selling and upselling, and then referrals, and then the repeat purchase by the customers. So when you look at a sales funnel, there are so many different aspects and so many different parameters to be measured. It is not just about the value of the sales, or what is the final count, or what is the final figure. And we should be looking at how to maximize our efficiency in the entire sales funnel.